forgot the feeling of my own embrace. I kept chasing sunsets that were never mine, till I lost the rhythm that once felt divine. The mirror kept asking where my spirit had gone, while I smiled through the days but felt so withdrawn. Then the silence whispered, soft as the sea, the one you're searching for has always been me. So I close my eyes, let my heartbeat lead back to the roots, back to what I need. Take me back to the place where my soul feels free, where the light inside remembers me when the world gets loud and I lose my way. Love keeps calling me back every day. Every breath is a road leading home again, through the sunshine, through the wind and rain. I was never broken, I just drifted far. Now I'm finding my way back to my heart, to my heart. The trees never questioned if they should still grow. The rivers kept flowing wherever they go. So why was I fighting the tide in my chest when the universe only wanted me to rest? I hear the birds singing my forgotten name, like they never believed that I truly change. Every flower opens without asking why. Maybe healing begins when we stop asking why. If I wander, that's okay. Even the moon loses pieces on the way. Every ending carries light. Every sunrise was once hidden in the night. Take me back to the place where my soul feels free, where the child inside still believes in me. Every step I take is enough today, 'cause love was never really far away. Now the wind knows my name, and the stars know my song. I was never lost, I was finding where I belong.